5 antennas I'm going to test with the Garmin Alpha. I'm going to test the one that came on it, and these 3 here, and this big long one that mounts on the truck. I've got 3 different collars here. I have a T5, a TT10, and a TT15. We got service on all the collars. This first test is going to be the factory antenna with the Garmin. We are 0.58, a little over half a mile away. We just lost service on the TT10 and the T5, and now the TT15 is gone. Just a little over half a mile away with the factory antenna. Even though I lost service with the factory antenna, I can get out and every now and then pick one of the dogs up. We're going to get one of these longer range antennas and see if we can go a little farther. I just put this longer antenna on here. It picks the dogs up a little bit, about like the factory antenna. I don't have a good strong signal. Just goes in and out. I'm still sitting in the same place. I just put on this silver antenna. It extends. We're still sitting in the same place. It seems to be working just like that black one, extended all the way out, and the factory antenna. I get service for a minute and they're just in and out. This next antenna I put on, it extends a long way out. I'll get the measurements for them at the end of the video. We got this big long black antenna on here. We finally picked all the dogs up. A lot more solid of a signal than the other antennas have been. Well, we got a mile 0.17 with this big long, super long antenna. Now we're going to hook this truck mounted antenna up. It's pretty long. I don't see this top mounted truck antenna picking up no better than this one. They're the same length. And it'd be a lot easier to hold this and worry about attaching this to your truck. But I could be wrong. We'll find out. I've got this big truck antenna hooked up now. We've picked up a couple of the collars with it. They just come in and out, in and out. See there, one just went back out. And now they're all lost signal. We're still sitting in the same spot. We lost signal with the long black antenna. They're all no signal. There, we picked one up. All these antennas was tested in the hills of eastern Kentucky. Show the landscape here a little bit. We left all the collars here. We went up and over ridge. This factory antenna, it done pretty good. This antenna here that doesn't extend or anything, tracked about the same. This antenna that extends, it folds over. It was kind of about, they was just the same as these two right here. This antenna was the best one. It extends way out and it tracked twice as far as these 3 did. The antenna that comes on the Garmin is 4.5 inches. Right here's one antenna that I tested. It's 6.25 inches not extended, 17.5 extended. This antenna here does not extend. It's 14 inches long. This antenna not extended is 10 inches long, and it extends right up to 48 inches, 4 foot. And the truck mounted antenna is 44 inches long. This was just my first test for these antennas. I'm going to be making a lot more videos, a lot more testing variations with them. So stay tuned. Until next time, we put them on the wood.